Yesterday we were able to apprehend a criminal, a cyber criminal from Mewat in Haryana. So Mewat is one of those strongholds where there are lots of cyber criminals. We keep on hearing places like Jamtara, Bharatpur, Mewat, which have become hotspots of cyber criminals, and over the time it has become difficult to catch accused from there. So to put it into context, to catch one accused from the village, you need 7 to 8 police vehicles with armed policemen inside so that you can catch an accused. Otherwise, people gang up in protecting their neighbors. So, in Cybercrime Police Station, we registered an offence in the month of October, wherein the ATMs of Ratnakar Bank Limited, RBL, they were tampered and around 9 lakh rupees were withdrawn using the vulnerability, by capitalizing on the vulnerability in the RBL network. So we obtained the complaint, and based on CCTV footage we identified 2 individuals who are roaming around different ATMs which were situated in secluded places during odd hours of the night, and they withdrew money amounting to 9 lakhs by identifying a particular vulnerability in their ATM network. So in pursuance of that, we use different kind of intelligence gathering mechanism, technical as well as human, and also consulted other state police where such offences were reported, and we were able to identify 2 criminals from Mewat. Now, after identification, the team went to catch the accused in the month of January, and they stayed there for some 7 days. So our cybercrime police inspector Devender Pingle and his team, they camped there for 7 days, but they could not catch the accused because they would not leave out of their village, and it was virtually impossible for an out-of-state police to carry such a massive operation by taking 7 to 8 police escorts there. So, realizing our limitations, and in consultation with the local police, particularly the SP there, we came up with a different strategy. What we did was, over a period of 1 month, we analyzed his entire movement as to when he comes out of the village, because as I told you, it was difficult to catch him from his house. So, we identified a particular pattern in which he was expected to come out of his village in this week. And accordingly, on 20th of this month, again the same team went to Mewat, and they camped there again for some 2-3 days, waited for him to come out of the village, and the moment he came out, we were able to catch him. So this is one of a good case detection from Goa Police, wherein we are proud to say that even if criminals come from very hardened background, we will be able to catch them wherever they are.
So what's the name of the name?
So the accused is Mubarak Muhammad. Mubarak Muhammad, resident of Mewat, Haryana, and he is wanted in connection of FIR number 46/2022. So basically, this tampering of this ATM network, he was trying to withdraw money from his own account, but the money was not being debited from that account. So this is the trick that he was using. And on this note, I would also urge all the bank representatives, whoever install ATMs, that they necessarily deploy a security guard over there. Be it physical theft of money from ATM, or taking away of the ATM machine altogether, or identifying of such vulnerabilities. If a single guard was deployed there, it would have been very difficult to do what they were doing.
So police and we can together can do something. We can have a look in all the ATMs. We are ready to come with police.
We'll definitely do something about it. We'll review about the deployment of the security guards at such ATM points, and all necessary action shall be taken. I think that can be done.
In the interest of everybody.
Yes, that is of course in the interest of everybody.